and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I was outside finished planting my garden, and I found a little corner I grew a few years ago. I grow this vegetable with herbs, it's the leafy greens. It's called sorrel, and either sorrel or a spinach dog. So it's a little bit lemony and tastes like a sour green apple. So I decided to do pizza with it. So it's gonna be spring and summer pizza. Yummy, tasty, healthy, unbelievable pizza going to be. And I'll show you how it looks in the garden. And I found that I have something here, greens, it's called sorrel or spinach dogs. So I decided to do something yummy with it today. So that's how it looks like in the garden. And so first thing is, let's start chopping the leaves first. And we're gonna chop them very fine. So roughly about 3 cups, fine chop. Voila, here we go. And now I wanna chop some onion. And the tomatoes. Voila. Here we go. So a little bit olive oil. And just in case if I didn't pronounce it well, sorrel. So the word will be on my left here. That's how to pronounce it, or spinach dog. So put olive oil, salt, and pepper. Voila, and I have some feta cheese here. Mix it together very well. Voila, perfect, ready to go. Let's put it aside. Now let's work on the dough. And for the dough here, it happened that I have a pizza dough in my fridge. And if you wanna check one of my episodes, how to make the pizza dough, it's one of the yummy pizza dough. So what we're making here, just a little bit olive oil. Don't be afraid, spread it with your fingers. Get the dough. Voila, that you can see better now. The dough I have is that you don't need flour to stretch it. It's easy to stretch on the trays. Now you can make it with crust or without crust, it's your call. I'm gonna make it with a little crust here. Voila, that's how it looks like. Now we don't need pizza sauce for this, right? So that's why it's healthy, full of nutrition, and easy to make, and the spring and summer special pizza. Very light pizza. Spread it all the way to the edges. Here we go. Now what we need here, mozzarella cheese on top. Voila, yummy. It's a good looking pizza. So make sure your oven preheated on 450. Nice. Look at this beautiful pizza. Now on the 450, it took about 16 minutes because I'm using the countertop oven, so all depends on the oven you're using. And because of the sorrel I'm using, that's how it looks like, and it's a family of the spinach. It's a spinach dog, and we're going to call it Popeye's Pizza. Let's have it cut. It's crunchy. Can you hear that? Look at this, beautiful. Yum. Look at this. So it's a spring and summer healthy pizza to have. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.